Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to put this short video together to go over some of the crazy deals that are happening right now for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I realize I'm a little bit late to the game on this. I originally wasn't going to do this video with only a couple days left in the weekend, and now being Saturday, so we have till Monday for these sales. But some of the deals are just too good to not share with you. All of the products that I'm going to show you right now are ones that I use regularly when I'm riding. You've seen them in most of my videos, if not all of my videos. So I just wanted to share with you the deals that are happening right now and let you know that now is probably the best time of year for some of these items if you're looking to pick any of them up. So the first thing I wanted to share with you, if you've watched any of my videos over the last few years, you've seen that we've been using helmet communicators. Over the last 3 years, we've been using Cardos. And if you're looking for a Cardo right now, Cardo has 25% off site-wide. That includes the Edge unit. The Edge is their brand new unit. Well, not brand new. They do have a new unit since then, the Pro, but that's geared more towards motorcycling. We use the Packtalk Bolds. We used those ones for a couple years, and then just recently this year, I upgraded to the Cardo Edge. So the nice thing with these, I do have a full comparison video on these, so if you want to check that out, go back into my other videos. I'll leave a link to it in the description so you can check out the full review if you want. But I've tried less expensive headsets over the years, and you know, ultimately you get what you pay for. The Cardos do come at a premium price, but they are an amazing unit. The nice thing with the Edge unit is the mounting. So you can see on the side of my helmet there, it's got an air mount, so you just bring the unit right up to the cradle and it just mounts right in. You don't have to worry about clipping it or anything like that. And then it just quick releases off. So it's a really cool mount, a really good unit. Any of the Cardos you'd be happy with. And they've got 25% off site-wide right now. So 25% off is the biggest discount that Cardo does ever. Unless they've got something on clearance or something like that. But as far as current items, it's more than double what the regular affiliate discount is that I can usually give. I can usually give 10% with my coupon code, but I'm going to leave a link to that in the description. Use my coupon code JOHNSOFFROAD, and again, I'll put that in the description as well. And that's going to get you 25% off site-wide. So that's it for communicators. Let's move on to lighting. If you're looking for lighting, I'm a big fan of Novesight lights, and I've also used Oxbeam. They're the two companies right now that I'm using. Novesight I have on my XMR here. I also have them on Al's 850. We put some spots, some Cyber One spots on his machine. And then if you saw one of my videos a few videos back on Lee's side-by-side, we put a 42-inch Oxbeam bar, which is just unbelievable. If you have the space to put a big bar like that, it's ridiculous. I'll put a couple shots up on the screen with that, and as well as a link to Oxbeam, but that is just an unbelievable bar and really cool features. He got the 42-inch SP DRL, I believe is what it was called. But again, I'll link to it, and it's just really cool and super bright. Lee's been sending me some videos of that bar in use, and he's super happy with it. These lights that I have on my machine this is the, I believe it's a 13.5-inch light bar from Novesight, which is an amazing light. I love how sleek it looks, and you can see from the side there just how it tucks in nicely, and that's a single row. And then I also have their halos. These are their 3-inch halos, and that's a combination flood spot. Just amazing lights. I'll turn them on for you so you can see what the halo looks like. Just give me 1 second here. So it has an amber halo around the outside there, and you can also switch it to a clear. So I'll put the clear up on the screen there, but that's just a daytime running light sort of halo, and then you have your main spots in the middle, your flooding spot. Novesight right now is also 25% off site-wide. If I could only have one set of these, if I was to choose between the halos and the light bar, I really love that light bar. It's on right now for a really great price. I believe it's in around 200 bucks after discount. So that's a really good deal, and I love that bar. The halos are also really good with the flood and spot combo, but just light pattern, and I'll link to videos that I've done in the past comparing them all. But that light bar is an awesome buy. So if you're interested in lighting, check that one out. Let's move on to power. All right, so while not directly related to ATVing, if you do any camping or anything off-grid and you're looking for a power supply, Blue Eddy is one of the top names in that realm. I've been using this AC 180p since the summer. I've used it on 2 different camping trips, and I've got those videos posted on my channel with full reviews on the Blue Eddy. I also have one of their solar panels to charge these with, and that's their 200-watt solar panel. These units are just unbelievable for the power that they pack, running fridge or lights or any sort of accessories that you need to run, even if it's just for a power outage. These are just amazing to have. So this particular one that I have here is the AC 180p. This one has 1440 watt hours. There's also an AC 180, which is just the same form factor as this one. It has, I believe, 1152 watt hours. Still the same wattage though, 1800 watts output. So you can run pretty much any 110 volt AC appliance off of this. Plus you have USBs, you have a USB-C, and then you have a 12 volt cigarette lighter outlet on there as well, and then inputs for solar. So if you're looking for a power supply, Blue Eddy right now up to 56% off on their website for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So they've got crazy deals. They have power supplies as low as you can go if you just want something to charge your phone, up to full whole home backups. So they have a real good diverse choice of products. So check out Blue Eddy, up to 56% off. I'll link that in the description as well. Moving on, let's talk about switch panels. If you're looking at adding any sort of lighting or any accessories to your machine, you need something to control it with. And switches can get kind of messy if you have to start putting individual switches in and finding places to mount them. I went with this Auxbeam 8-gang switch panel here. It's super clean, super easy to install. I have a full installation video of this up on my channel as well. I'll link to that. But if you're looking for Auxbeam, right now they have, I believe it's 25% off site-wide as well, in addition to other discounts that you can stack on top of that. So these switch panels and their lighting, that light bar that I was talking to you about that Lee has, that's on for 25% off plus additional stackable discounts. So Auxbeam switch panels, just awesome switch panels. I have one on my ATV here. I have one in my trailer, which I'll show you a clip of, controlling all of my lighting, my water pump, all that kind of stuff in my trailer. So I've been really happy with these. They're waterproof. They come with a cover as well to put over just to make it that extra little bit water resistant. But I haven't had any issues with these, and they're just a really great switch panel and really nice and clean looking when you put them on your machine. So that'll be switch panels. Next, we're going to move on to navigation. So navigation is one of those questions I get asked all the time on my channel as to what maps I'm using and what the device is that I'm using to display them on. So this is a Umidigi Bison X10G. Chances are you've not heard of this unit. Basically what it is a fully ruggedized, fully waterproof, mil-spec smartphone. So it has all the apps as if you would have on a regular smartphone, except this unit is only about $150 US. In Canada, we're looking in around the $200 range right now on sale for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. This is a unit that, you know, I really don't want to be putting my iPhone on the handlebars here and exposing that unit to all the elements and the water and mud and rain and all that kind of stuff. So I wanted an inexpensive unit. So this allows you to have your full mapping, any apps that you want to run, you can run. I'll show you here. I have multiple different mapping options on here. I have my Cardo app so I can control my my helmet communicators, Garmin to talk to my my spot communicator or my InReach communicator that I have, DJI app. You can put Apple Music, you can put Sirius XM. Any apps that you want to use are controlled through this unit, so you don't need to expose your phone to the elements. And if something goes wrong with this unit or you damage it or anything like that, it's super inexpensive to replace. So I've been very happy with this unit. I do have a video up as well. I'll link to that in the description, but check that out if you're looking for something that's very diverse in its capabilities. It's not just a GPS unit. It'll do everything for you, and it's very inexpensive. So that'll do it for navigation. All right, guys, so that's pretty much going to do it for the video. I just wanted to make it a short video and show you some of the deals that are out there, because most of these are once a year type deals. American Black Friday and Cyber Monday are typically bigger sales than even Boxing Day. So these are likely the best deals that you're going to see if you're interested in any of these items that I showed you. I'm going to link to all of the videos where I've done reviews of each of these items, so you can check them out in more detail if you're interested. And then I'll also put some links right to the products in the description as well. So hopefully you found it helpful. I appreciate you guys watching. Like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And we'll catch you on the next one. Take care, guys.